Hi guys, Katinaba. I will unboxing my Genie egg treat. This is a gift for my love and Women's Day. Straightening with air for both wet and dry hair. Air flow is straightening for hair care. So this is it. You can use with wet and dry. Okay guys, let's unbox it. So this is a birthday gift, I said, but where's this here? This is the other version of Dyson. Same function as Dyson, but little bit cheaper. I choose to have this than Dyson. Let's unbox it. One, two, three. So excited to unbox. Actually, sarang yung bukas ng mga straightener, but I choose this one. They said the review said it's not bad to the hair. I don't know, let's see. Mahirap pa mag-unbox. Charan! And this is the manual, I think. How you do it. You can use it also as a blower. And the thing is, I have this pouch, so you can carry it along with it. Yung Dyson, wala, ano lang siya. Yung new edition lang ang may box. Tapos wala naman silang. So, this is it itself. When you open it, that is the inside. And this is the black. I think it's universal. And this is it. That's it. Hindi nga lang yung koko baka masira. Anyway. Yes. Here and and there's no plastic on it. I want to show you guys. This, and this is when you want to blow. Right. The air will come here. And this inside. And there's a manual. Oh, cannot read this. It's too small. Anyway. devices natin. Aero things. May plastic pa siya dito.